Delete Telegram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete Telegram account, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. In order to delete our Telegram account, go ahead and then first of all launch the Telegram application. Then tap the three lines option located at the top left of the screen. Then simply navigate to the option called settings. Once you navigate to the option called settings, you want to simply scroll down to the bottom, go to the option called Telegram FAQ and then tap on it. Once you go to the option called Telegram FAQ, under Telegram FAQ you'll find many options where you have to simply look for the Your Account section that you can find here, and you'll find one of the subtitles that says delete your Telegram account, so make sure to tap on that. As you do that, again at the top you'll find how do I delete my account, and you'll find deactivation page link. So tap the deactivation page link and then you'll be taken to this page where you simply need to enter your phone number in the international format. So depending upon the country that you are from, enter your country code first of all, because Telegram will not recognize the country if you don't do this, and then make sure to enter your phone number. Tap on next. It's going to send a verification link to your phone number, and after it sends a verification link to your phone number, your Telegram account will get successfully deleted. This way you can delete Telegram account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.